This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine a world where the drones that map our cities and inspect power lines suddenly disappear from the sky. LiDAR gives centimeter-level depth, works in low light, and feeds AI models that can see in 3D on the edge. Industries from utilities to construction depend on LiDAR drones to cut inspection cycles from weeks to hours, turning raw laser returns into actionable insights. The FCC now wants to label every LiDAR-enabled UAV as high risk, revoke existing waivers and force experimental licenses and EMC reports. That crackdown could choke the massive point cloud streams our decentralized inference network relies on, but it also forces innovators to redesign edge pipelines for compliance. If the ban passes, edge devices will need alternate sensors or licensed spectrum, reshaping how ChainMind routes compute across the globe. Stay ahead of the regulatory curve. Follow ChainMind for the next wave of decentralized AI.